so today I'll be unboxing SBD London's Perfec-Tip kit, which I'm still yet to try. You get 4 pens of the gel, as you can see there. You get the primer and the tempering top coat. I just love the packaging of this brand, just so pretty. You get the torch, which is rechargeable, so that's good. You get 2 packs of tips, which I will show you in a second. So you get almond. That's almond. And you get coffin as well, which I'll show you in a sec. I'll open them up. So it's a gel system, fast application, strong and durable, can be filed and can be invelled as well. They are pre-roughened, and there you go, there's all the numbers in there. So just get one out and show you now. See, so that's all automatically saves you time there. That's medium coffin. And these are the almond. When I can get the box open. Louise said she is looking into bringing up more sizes and shapes as well. I just think the kit's so good. Really, really is. Can't wait to try it out. Okay, I'm just putting it all in the camera. Sorry, excuse me. Just get the torch out, which is available in 3 colours. Got the pink because just because there's no blue. That's my next fave, really bright pink. You can actually feel the heat when you do that as well. Crazy. So I'm just waiting for a little bit of spare time. I need more hours in the day, and then I can try them. And that's the kit, the large kit that is. Sorry if you're in my belly then. And also I will be doing a giveaway, because this is just after what I've been on YouTube just over a year, and this is also my 50th video. I just want to say a big massive thank you to everyone who's supported me so far. And if you're new here, welcome. I really hope you like what you see. So this is just little bits and bobs I've collected over time that I don't really use it, to be honest. All still in good condition, hardly used. So those nail sugar glitters I've already got, because I bought it in a set. And I buy them as they come out anyway, so I've got every glitter from Nail Sugar. So yeah, so these are like foils, like oil type foils. Just little bits and bobs in there, just pigments. Oh, and Neo's gel polish in blue reflection. I accidentally ordered another one and didn't realise, so I thought I'd just pop it in the box. So I will put on the screen shortly of what I would like you to do to enter, and I'll also add it in the description box below. I'm just showing you bits and bobs here. I mean, bits have come off them, but you know, yeah, they've been sat in my drawer. Some 50 Shades. Just little bits and bobs that you might find useful, that's all. They're just some like nail templates. And here's the box of like glitters, chromes, pigments, just a few bits and bobs of all sorts really. Yeah, I think that one's chrome. Oh, this is my thumb. I done a cardboard cut right underneath my nail in work. Oh my gosh, so sore. It's not dirt, just to point that out. So yeah, it's finally starting to heal. So that is all. So here is how to enter. It is open internationally. Winner pays postage. It was international. In the UK, I will pay for that. To enter, simply subscribe to my channel, like this video, then leave a comment in the comment section below. Entrance must be 18 plus. Closes 7 PM, 4th of March. Random comment picker used to choose the winner, who will be announced on the 5th of March 2022. Not essential, but please consider sharing on your page or group, etc. The more the channel blossoms, the more the fun giveaways I can arrange. Yay! Massive good luck everyone, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!